Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Smart Hub, press Home on the remote and go straight to Settings. Once there, choose General, then locate Voice Recognition or Accessibility. This is where Voice Assistant's live. Make sure the TV is updated first because software changes can hide or move options. If you see multiple voice options, note which one is active. Now prepare to disable the assistant itself. Don't skip confirming updates since older firmware can block removal. Once inside the assistant settings, pick the active service, Bixby, Alexa, or another, and toggle it off. You'll be asked to confirm, except to stop the assistant from running. If you don't see an explicit off switch, disable voice wake up and revoke microphone permissions instead because that effectively silences activation. Make sure to save changes, then exit menus. You're removing both the activation and background listening. This prevents accidental triggers and restores normal To finish, restart the TV so settings take effect. A full power cycle helps with persistent services. If you linked an account like Samsung or Amazon, remove that account under Settings Accounts to sever the assistant's access. Once done, test by saying the wake word. Nothing should respond. If the assistant still appears, reset the Smart Hub or reinstall firmware. This clears cached settings. Remember, a factory reset is last resort. Backup preferences because it will erase them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.